how to change or set paper size in Epson printer settings. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. So we can just go over and open up the document that we would like to print. For example, our Word document, this right here. After you have selected it, what we can do is we can just go over and press Ctrl+P and it will open up this page. You can select up your Epson printer here, and once we've done that, we can go to printer properties here, which is this one right here. So click on it, and within printer properties or preferences, you can find the option for paper size, etc. Go to advanced for that and look out for paper size and select up your custom paper size such as A4 or anything else, envelope, and we have a bunch of other options. You can select the one that you prefer and click on OK and save up the changes and click on print once it is done. Another method we can do is we can set default paper size. So we can press Windows+R for that and type in control printers there. Hit enter and right click on your Epson printer here. Go to printer and scanner, find your printer or double click on it in order to open it up and go to printing preferences. After that, we can change up our paper size here. Go to advanced and go to paper size and look out for paper that you prefer. And then just go over and click on OK and confirm it up and save up the changes. Now it stays as default. Also, we can add custom paper size if needed. So for that, what we can do is we can again go to Windows+R and type in control printers and go to print solver properties. So go to printers and scanners, look out for print solver properties, and there go to the forms tab in the top and click on this option called create new form. After that, we can just go over and enter up the form name here and choose up the width and the height and click on apply and click on OK and save up the changes. You can open up the Epson printer preferences and select the new size, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.